Your next car could be the 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Traverse, the sleek and stylish midsize SUV that's loaded with creature comforts, smart cargo solutions, advanced safety features, and the capability to handle any adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident wherever the road may lead when you're behind the wheel of the Traverse.